Let's learn our ABC. Come on, friends. 1, 2, 3, let's go! A, it's for
A is for apple, A, apple. B is for balloon, balloon.
C is for
Cupcake, C, cupcake. D is for dinosaur,
D, dinosaur.
E is for elephant.
E, elephant. Oh! ABC is fun to say, learning letters every day. Sing with me, shout it out loud. Join the ABC happy crowd. Oh!
F is for fire,
F for fire.
G is for guitar,
G, guitar.
H is for helicopter,
H, helicopter.
I is for ink cake,
I, ink cake.
J is for jellyfish,
J, jellyfish. Oh!
K is for kangaroo,
K, kangaroo.
L is for lollipop,
L, lollipop.
M is for monster,
M, monster.
N is for noser,
N, noser.
O is for octopus.
Oh, octopus.
Clap your hands!
Clap, clap, clap. We are halfway there. Let's sing the rest.
P is for popcorn, P, popcorn. Q is for queenie,
Q, queenie.
R is for robot,
R, robot.
S is for superhero,
S, superhero.
T is for training,
T, training.
U is for unicorn,
Unicorn.
V is for venom,
V, venom.
W is for watermelon,
W, watermelon.
X is for Xmas,
Xmas tree.
Y is for yo-yo,
Yo.
Z is for zebra.
Z, zebra. Now we know our ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah!
Giggles! Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.
Okay, Sparky, let's sing the ABCs. Are you ready? All right, here we go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Shh, Sparky, let's sing it very quietly, like a little mouse.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay, Sparky, wake up! Let's sing it super fast and loud. Can you keep up? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! We did it! Good boy, Sparky! Bye-bye! Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
A is for alligator, alligator, alligator. B is for bear, bear, bear. C is for cat, cat, see, cat. D is for dog, dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox, fox. G is for giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. H is for horse, horse, horse. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. K, is for monkey, monkey and my monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal and the narwhal. O is for ostrich, ostrich, oh ostrich. P is for panda, panda, papa panda. Q is for quail, quail, Q, quail. R is for rhino, rhino, R, a rhino. S is for snake, snake is a snake. T is for tiger, tiger, tiger. U is for unicorn, unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture, V, vulture. W is for whale, whale, whale. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish, x-ray fish. Y is for yak, 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 yak. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra.
Hi friends, don't forget to
Come on kids, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and say the sound. Happy learning all around. A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball that loves to bounce. C for cat that says meow meow. D for dog that runs around. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish that swims in blue. G for goat that jumps so high. H for hen that says cluck clue. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jeep that drives away. K for kite up in the sky. L for lion, loud and brave. M for mango, juicy yellow. N for nest up in a tree. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, green and free. Q for queen with shining crown. R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. S for sun that lights the day. T for tiger, roar non-stop. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van that goes so far. W for watch that tick, tick, ticks. X for xylophone guitar. Y for yak, so soft and slow. Z for zebra, black and white. Now we sang our ABC. See you soon, goodbye, good night.
Hey kids! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!
Choo-choo, here comes the train. Learning letters is our game. Climb aboard and sing with me. Let's explore our ABC. A is apple, shiny red. B is ball that bounce ahead. C is cat that says meow meow. Ride the train, let's learn it now. D is dog that runs to play. E is elephant, big and gray. F is fish that swims in blue. Wave hello as we pass you. G is goat on grassy land. H is horse so strong and grand. I is ice cream, cold and sweet. Yummy, yummy summer treat. J is jug, we pour some tea. K is kite, flying free. L is lion, loud and strong. Hear him roar along the song. M is monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is nest where birdies sing. O is orange, round and bright. Rolling, rolling, left and right. P is parrot, green and bright. Q is queen with crown so light. R is rabbit, hop, hop, hop. The ABC train never stops. S is sun that shines so high. T is tiger passing by. U is umbrella in the rain. Wave hello to the train. V is van that drives away. W is whale that loves to play. X is swaddle, ding, 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 ding. Tap the keys and sing, sing, sing. Y is yak on mountain snow. Z is zebra, watch it go. Now we learn from A to Z. Sing the song again with me. Choo-choo train is leaving now. We learned letters, take a bow.
Hi friends, don't forget.
Yay! Let's learn the ABCs.
A, B, C. Come along and sing with
Me. Learning is as easy as can be. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. Hunch. E is for elephant. North. F is for fish. Fish. G is for goat. Goat. Cat. H is for hat. Mutt. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. L is for lion. Lion. Girl. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. S. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. U. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for X-ray. Legs. X-ray. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? From A to Z. Learning is as easy as can be. Yeah! Clap.
Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe and join our